Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto G42, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off location of this Motorola. First of all, just access tab menu. After that, you need to look for location icon, and when you find it, click on it. If you can't find it over here, you need to choose this pen one at the bottom left corner of your tab menu, scroll down, hold it and drag it to the tab. After that, you need to go back and finally click on it. Then choose close in this pop-up, and as you can see after that, location of my smartphone is off. If you wish to turn it back on, just click on the same shortcut. You can always go into settings as well. Scroll down and tap on location over here. Then manage it by clicking on this switcher next to use location feature. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!